At Restore Reproductive Health, you'll be greeted by a friendly receptionist who you'll speak with about the reason for your visit. She will then check for available appointments and send intake forms to your mobile device. In many cases, you may be able to be seen the very same day. You can expect professional, confidential attention as you meet with our trained, compassionate advocates. They are here to ensure that you are not only seen, but also heard. Your needs, your concerns, your preferences. You'll always receive honest and open answers from us. Real solutions, real help, ongoing support in a non-judgmental environment. Free pregnancy tests, ultrasounds, and STI tests are administered according to medical standards, supervised by a licensed physician. Your information is held in strict confidence, released only as the law requires or through your written request. If you are pregnant or like information on pregnancy or are seeking relationship building skills, we have educational resources to offer you. Those who go through our Earn While You Learn program can acquire credits we call Bright Bucks. These can be used to purchase things in our baby boutique. People who have suffered trauma through a miscarriage or a stillbirth, sexual abuse or assault, or even past abortion often don't know where to go for help. Trained, lay, peer-to-peer counselors can walk alongside them as they go from hurting to healing and find restoration. Help is here, just ask. You are braver than you think.
Hi, and welcome to Bobby Lou's Baby Boutique. Inside here, you will find everything you need to start your nursery. We have diapers and diaper wipes and diaper bags. We have baby bathtubs. We have walkers. We have strollers. We have rockers. We have maternity clothes. We have maternity bathing suits, for crying out loud. All this beautiful clothes. We have baby clothes. We have booties and bibs, and we have hats and darling little dresses and onesies and these precious, precious sweater sets that somebody knits for us. I mean, who does that these days anymore? We have amazing things in here, and all of this is available to our clients. We have something called our Earn While You Learn program, where our clients come in and they watch videos, or we send them to their devices. And they watch these videos and do these little worksheets, and they earn Bright Bucks. And then they take those Bright Bucks and they come in here and they shop for whatever they want. And all that is available to them at no cost other than the Bright Bucks. Everything in here has been donated. It's either brand new or very, very gently used. And everything is just beautiful. And I just can't wait for our moms and couples to come in here and shop. One of the many things that we offer here at Restore is healing programs for people who have suffered emotional trauma following sexual assault or abuse, stillbirth, miscarriage, even past abortion trauma. And these programs are led by trained facilitators who they themselves have suffered those particular traumas. They understand the effects the trauma has on a person's emotional state, their relationships, their mental health, and their well-being. And all of these are free, just like everything at Restore.